As I've designed and delivered strategic thinking and planning workshops over the past 25 years, I've found that there are two types of sessions that are most popular. The first is focused on pure knowledge and skill development, helping individuals from intact teams or different functional areas of the organization increase their strategic thinking and planning skills by learning and applying new tools to their business. The second type involves intact leadership teams that are interested in using the strategic thinking workshops as a springboard to develop their strategic plan. I've delivered hundreds of strategic thinking workshops to executive leadership teams, along with functional areas including marketing, sales, account management, finance, operations, IT, HR, and specialty roles including clinical leaders in healthcare organizations, attorneys, engineers, architects, and many more. So, who would not be a good fit for these workshops? Well, if the team has a purely transactional role, such as accounts payable or software coding, where there isn't a strong need for using strategy, then these sessions would not be a fit. Our workshops are based on proprietary content from my New York Times and Wall Street Journal best-selling books on strategic thinking that I've developed over the past 25 years. With that level of experience and expertise comes a mid-range investment. So if getting the absolute lowest price is your primary objective in sourcing strategic thinking, then our sessions would not be a fit. Research shows that strategic thinking is the most important skill in business today. Compare it to an important event in your life, like a 20th wedding anniversary. If you'd celebrate that important event by taking your spouse or partner to McDonald's, then we're probably not the best fit. If Big Macs, Chicken McNuggets, and fries wouldn't be on the menu for your important event, then contact us to set up a call to chat about your team's needs. In these sessions, I facilitate a customized strategic thinking process where the teams think through and discuss the key business issues using specially selected strategy tools to frame the conversations. These sessions result in the development of a custom designed two-page strategic action plan called the strategy print. The team can then use the strategy print as their strategic plan to achieve their goals and drive their business throughout the year.